If you have a house in Beloit, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Beloit, Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. In this video, I'm going to share with you the difference of working with a true local cash buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for a loan, or one of those call center buyers that are sending you the text messages and the random phone calls and stuff like that. That's not us. We're local. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to buy your house in Beloit in its as-is condition. So that means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you can take. Anything you don't want, leave behind. We'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy the house in its as-is condition, where you don't have to do any work at all, is we're a cash buyer. So this is the main difference between working with us and then working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for a loan, because anyone using a loan or a mortgage to buy your house, well, they're going to send the formal inspector through, they're going to scrutinize your house and test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan and open the doors and the windows and to just compile pages and pages of everything wrong with your house. It's only going to be used against you for discounts and extensions and credits, and this is a nightmare. It's a nightmare waiting to happen, right? And then if you survive the inspection, now they're going to send their appraiser through. The appraiser is oftentimes worse than the inspector because the appraiser works for the bank. We all know the bank has their own best interests in mind, not yours. They could pull the rug out from under this thing at any time, send you right back to square one, complete waste of time. But in real estate, it's not just a waste of time, it's a waste of money, because every day that goes by that they're not able to perform, another day where they need more extensions and they need more time, it's another day that you're paying property taxes, you're paying insurance, you're paying utilities. It's a massive opportunity cost. All of that is bypassable. You can bypass all of that. Just work with a direct buyer. Work with a local, reputable buyer like us. We're going to give you a fair price, and we're going to make this thing happen for you. So if you have a house in Beloit and you want to at least see what your options are in selling, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we absolutely could do that. If you need more time and you need more flexibility, we could accommodate your needs regardless of what's going on for your situation, and we're going to close when you want to, not when some third-party lender gives us the green light. There's no third-party lender. We're going to make this easy, and we're going to close when you want to. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house, and if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and we'll get this done. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands, part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure, and there's never going to be any sales tactics or gimmicks or games. So if you have a house in Beloit that you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with working with sellers in Beloit and surrounding areas. So that number, once again, is 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to working with you, and we'll talk to you soon.